If you want to make your kitchen more functional, organized, and stylish, the VEVOR Kitchen Island on Wheels is an excellent addition to your home. This kitchen island is built with premium quality materials, designed to provide strength, stability, and long-term durability. The solid construction ensures it can handle daily kitchen tasks, such as food prep, serving, and storage, without wobbling or wear. The smooth wooden countertop adds a modern and elegant look, while offering a spacious work surface for cutting, chopping, mixing, or serving meals. The drop leaf extension is a smart space-saving feature. When you need extra counter space, simply lift it up, and when not in use, fold it down to keep your kitchen open and clutter-free. Mobility is another major advantage of this kitchen cart. It comes with heavy-duty rolling wheels that allow you to move it easily from one area to another. Whether you need it near the stove, dining area, or kitchen corner, it moves smoothly. The locking wheels provide added safety by keeping the island firmly in place while you work. In terms of storage, this kitchen island offers multiple storage compartments, including cabinets and shelves, helping you organize cookware, utensils, spices, or small kitchen appliances efficiently. Everything you need stays within reach, making your cooking experience faster and more enjoyable. This portable kitchen island is ideal for small kitchens, apartments, condos, or homes that need flexible kitchen space. It's also perfect for people who love hosting, as it can be used for food prep, serving, or as a mini buffet station. Overall, the VEVOR Kitchen Island on Wheels combines high-quality craftsmanship, smart design, and everyday convenience. It's not just a kitchen cart, it's a practical upgrade that enhances both your kitchen's efficiency and its overall appearance. Strong closing line CA. Upgrade your kitchen today with a durable, movable island that gives you more space, better organization, and modern style, all in one smart solution. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this product, please check the link in the description box for more details and best deals.